Hi, this is Miss Riddell. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to use Google Classroom and find assignments when you are using an iPhone. Now, I assume it will work similarly on an Android device. I don't have one of those, so I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure it will be similar. So anyway, this is how it works on an iPhone. You're going to start by opening up the Google Classroom app, and you are going to make sure that you are logged into your Living Sky School Division Google account, so your lskysd.ca school account. If you're logged into your Gmail, it probably is not going to let you into the right things. Well, it won't let you into the right things. So once you have your Google Classroom page up, it will have a list of all your classes. So I have put this in a student view. This would be what yours will look like. And for 7, 8s, and 9s, there is all a continued learning opportunity, plus you probably have math, science, social, etc. So I'm going to go into the grade 9s continued learning opportunity. I would click on it, it will open, and you'll notice at the bottom that there are 3 tabs. There's Stream, Classwork, and People. So it will obviously always open up to the Stream first, and this gives you big announcements. So for example, I had an announcement posted for those students that were going to continue Romeo and Juliet, that there are some assignments coming. There is also about the class meeting, and if you missed it, there's an attachment of the video. However, this is not where you're going to find your assignments. You need to go into classwork to get to your assignments. So you would click on that, and now you will get a list of all your assignments. So for grade 8 and 9, they're going to have an ELA section. For some of the 9s, they're going to have an ELA Romeo and Juliet section. 7, 8, and 9 are all going to have a cross-curricular section that has the different projects listed. So if, for example, we wanted to look at the masks project, we would click on that one. And it's going to open up. It'll tell you what the due date is. It'll give you a little bit of information on what different subject areas are included, but it still does not give you the instructions to the assignment. To do that, you need to go down to the bottom where it says your work, and you're going to click on the arrow there. When you do that, it will now provide a document. And for this one, it's called Maths Project. For other ones, it will be called other things. But that is where you're going to find your assignment information. So you're going to open up that document, and now you have the assignment information. So in this particular one, there are some before tasks to do, and then there is a chart that has links to 5 different subject areas. Mrs. David has some sewing, Mrs. Gilbert has an art project, Ms. Wintonic and I have an ELA, Mr. White has computers, and Mrs. Nett has a social aid. So from this point, then you would click on the link to get to the assignment that you want to do, and you would follow the instructions. I'm going to do another tutorial on how to attach videos or slideshows or even Word documents to your assignments before you turn them in. But for right now, this is just how to get to your assignments. So make sure once you open up your classroom that you are in the classwork tab at the bottom, and then you can click on the assignment of your choice, and it will take you to the link to the actual instructions. So on the phone, there's quite a bit more clicking than if you're using your laptop, but it does get you to the assignment and will allow you to do your work. So I hope this was helpful. As I said, I will be putting out another tutorial about how to attach things to your assignments. That's coming up. Until then, take care, have a great day, wash your hands, and thank you for listening.